The CDC will be meeting tomorrow with an advisory board to make recommendations on a vaccination plan for COVID-19. Meanwhile, Sioux Falls' two major hospitals are also coming up with their own plans, but they want people to know that the vaccine won't be available to the general public for several weeks, if not months. That's tonight's top story at 6. For the past 3 weeks, the number of active cases of COVID-19 and hospitalizations in Sioux Falls continues to slowly trend down.
And that is a direct result of the public really taking it to heart and upping their game on masking, distancing, and probably most importantly, when they have symptoms, isolating, getting tested, and if they're exposed to somebody, quarantining.
However, both hospitals say their ICU beds remain at or near capacity.
The number of people hospitalized with COVID-19 continues to hover around that 80 to 100 mark and has been stable over the last couple of weeks.
They are concerned, though, that there might be another COVID surge following the Thanksgiving holiday.
We are watching that very closely, and it will be about 2 weeks out before we know, if those numbers start increasing again. And I think they're going to increase at least a little bit and hopefully not too much.
Both hospitals are having conversations right now on a distribution plan once a vaccine is available.
People that don't have transportation, how are they going to be able to get the vaccine? Maybe we have to go out to the homeless to get the, what a high-risk population that is proven to be with this, to get the immunization brought to them or to somewhere that they go frequently, the homeless shelters or whatever that is.
We'll continue to learn more about the vaccine in the coming weeks and hopeful to get those vaccinations out to the first populations in the coming weeks as well.
Even with the promising news of a vaccine, health and city leaders remind everyone to continue to mask up and social distance to slow the spread.
Until we get that vaccine, which probably is weeks to months away for the general public, then we've got to keep on going.
And the city says that they'll be keeping the public informed on the vaccination plan once it's approved.